This is my current setup. This is my little portable desk, and this is my Alienware X17R2, and I do keep it up above or off the table so that it has more venting capability. You know, it sucks in the air from here or blows out the air from here. One or the other. Either the bottom is an intake and this is an out, or vice versa. In either case, I keep the bottom up a little bit so that the vents have clear access to air flow. And I've been using this for a while, but I saw this on Amazon on one of their Prime days. It was on special, and it looks like I actually will get a lot of use out of it. One of the things I like, besides the fact that it elevates my laptop off the flat desk or flat surface so that there's constant airflow, is the fact that it's actually a USB hub as well. Oh, it has LED lights, but I'm not big on the LED. Not a big deal for me. I guess for gamers, it might be a pretty cool deal. So it's up to 17-inch, which is what my laptop is. It is a 17-inch. And this is how it looks like in pictures. I like this little lip here that holds the laptop from sliding straight forward. And that's the USB hub in the back. Let's unpack everything, show you everything that comes inside. USB-A to USB-C. This is a USB-A to USB-C adapter. If you don't have a USB-A port available on your laptop and you have USB-C, you can use that adapter. The actual device itself, or stand. Some paperwork. Sorry. Some stickers. Another sticker. And I guess the instruction manual. The cable. is, let's see how long it is. 19.5 inches. And this would be the adapter. This would go in here like this. But I believe I have a USB-A port available. And so I won't need it. This is going to be a close-up look. It's aluminum. Pretty, seems to be pretty light. Let me weigh it. A little over a pound in weight, not much. That's actually not that heavy. And just in case you're wondering how much space, maybe you have a small desk area, how wide it is. You know what, let's just do the desk area right here where the foot is, where the feet are. And then from here to here. So let's do a detailed look at the actual item. It's aluminum, little rubber feet here. This is the top part. This is where the back of the laptop will sit on top of, I believe. Nothing here. Feet. More scratch. And this, what is this? Is this where, oh, is this what this is for? Yep, you see the little rubber? Yeah, I think this is, yep. Oh, that's pretty cool, a little storage. You can take it out of the way, you don't have to use it. It's removable. That's pretty cool. Little, I mean, not much of a compartment, but this itself is going to be about 3 inches, just in case you're wanting to know. And I believe it should go like this, so that the laptop sits against it like that, and it snaps into place. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's what that's for. The little feet here, keep it from sliding and slipping, and also keeps your desk in these, you know, without getting scratches. I don't know what that is. And now the main area, the back, 9 inches. Area that the laptop sits on top of. Pretty cool. So, these are for the lights, as you can see. For the lights, USB-C. So I will be using it and plugging it into my laptop at this end, and then going from 1 USB-A to 4. And the on and off button. Pretty cool. I'll just keep the adapter to the side. I'm not putting any stickers or anything because I want to confirm that everything works the way it's supposed to before I start not using the stickers, because if I have to return it for some reason, I want to be able to, if they're selling it used again, to allow the persons to use the stickers as they wish. And let's put it on my desk and try it out and see how it looks. All right, so I set it up, and this is the setup I have. Plugged in my mouse, because I use my mouse for the full size micro SD. I have the mini in the back of the laptop. SD card, micro SD card. The regular size SD card, I don't have a port for that in the back of my computer, so I actually use this Anchor. Plus it gives me an additional 3 ports. I'm gonna have that plugged in with a USB-C female adapter, one of these cables I bought on Amazon. Extension, I think it's about 3 feet, which connects to my laptop. And when I'm working on things, I could actually bring this out over to the side here, because now with the space, I could hide things underneath here, and I could bring them up when I need to while I'm working on my desk, and then put it back underneath so it looks nice and neat. I think it looks great. Let me see how high it raises my laptop. So it's pretty high. It's about 4 inches off. So it's really, you know, it's high enough. Definitely much higher than those small foot things that I had, which work fine. I've been using those for the longest. Awesome. And I can type comfortably. I usually stand at this desk. You know, I stand on it. I stand and I do my work standing up. And it seems to be very comfortable to be able to type. It's gonna be nice. I like it. I really like the stand. I like the hub. There's gonna be more of a look at. It works. I plugged in USB drives and other items, and they work just fine. No issues. I'm not looking for super duper speed. Actually, what I use for a much faster connection with hard drives is the USB-C, which is what I have here. This is how I do my transfers. I keep it constantly connected, and when I need to transfer files from large video files from computer to computer, this is what I use. This is pretty much while I'm working on things, transferring some SD stuff, my videos, and it works fast. It's fine. I'm not looking for super speed. I'm just looking for it to actually work. So, you know, let me do a speed test, drag and dropping something from the hub. So I'll plug in a USB drive there and transfer it to my laptop and back. I'll do a screenshot. Let me do that so I can get an idea of the speed I'm getting. And again, it's connected directly to my laptop. I put some wire ties to manage some kind of wire management, because I don't like wires all over the place. And it's plugged in from USB-C hub to this here. Let me show you a screenshot. that was a screenshot of the hub. If you, I'm assuming since because of the cost of the hub, it is a $30 hub. It's a great stand, but the hub features are going to be limited just because of the price. As I'm assuming it's a shared USB hub. You know, the power or the data is shared among the 4 connections. They're not working independently, I'm assuming. I can't get any info on the YouTube, on Amazon or any other website or the box or the manual itself. It has 10, and again, I'm not gonna really be using it for that. The hard drives are most likely gonna be plugged into the actual laptop itself so I can get direct access, including my micro SD card slot right here. So I'm not worried too much about it. It's more for peripherals, last minute USB hub, copy and paste type of thing. Most of my transfers are gonna take place on these ports. Plus I like the fact that it raises my laptop. That's the main reason. I'm not big on the light. You can get up to 10 different configurations. So let's look at the different lights you get. You know, the different configuration or the actual, the way the lights will, light modes, 10 different light modes, configurations, or the way it will blink. So let's take a look at that. It goes from here on the side to here, and then from here again on the back over here. All the lights are off. Alienware has its own RGB lights in the back as well. That's from the laptop, not from the stand. So let's, this is the button here, right? Let me just show you. This is the button here that you use to change the lights, and you just press them and keep pressing them until you get the light sequence you want. Let me press them. 1. 2. That's pretty cool. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Oh, I like that one. Sort of pulsating. 9. Oh, that's real nice. That one's pretty cool. 10. That should be the final one. And then to turn it off, you just long press on the button and it'll turn it off. Cool. Long press to turn it on and it's on. And I'm assuming it defaults to the first one. Let me just double check. Okay, so we got this different pulsating one. Let's switch to a solid color. Okay, so now it's solid red. I just want to see if when I turn it off and back on, will it default back to my previous setting, or will it default back to the one you saw earlier? It's off. Okay, I'm going to turn it on now. Yep, it defaults back to this one. This is the default light. I'm going to end the video now. This is the actual hard drive I was transferring. It's a SSD with an enclosure plugged into the back there. And I'm happy with it. Again, the hub is just a plus. I didn't buy it more for the hub. I bought it more for raising the laptop. And it's a nice looking stand. I really like it. The lights is a plus if I ever want to use it or get into it. And the hub is just an additional plus. It's pretty cool. It just gives me more options, especially with the mouse that doesn't need much power. You just need a plug, and I don't need a lot of throughput on that. And it's just realized it's USB 3.0, all the hubs. and the USB is powered by the laptop, as you can see. Let me turn it off to see if it actually turns off the actual hub. Okay, it's not coming out. My fault. Long press is to turn it back on. You have to long press to turn it on and off. So long press for off. Hold it and then long press, keep your finger on it till it turns on. Okay, let's turn off the laptop and see if that light goes off. And the laptop is shutting down. Yep, okay. It went off as well. So it's not like it can, I was wondering if it had a feature to power off the actual power supply coming through the laptop. I've seen that in high-end laptops and USB hubs, but this one doesn't have that. So everything shuts down. Okay, so that's the end of my video. I hope you like it. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.